Hello everyone and welcome to this second part to continue making our mermaid cookie. If you haven't seen the previous video yet, in the description below you can find the link to the first part and also the link to our playlist for our cookies Gretas. Then let's continue making the mermaid tile, starting with aqua color yarn and on round 1 a magic ring with 2 chains on the beginning. This one will be the first one. 1 and 2. Then 6 double crochet. 1 double crochet. 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. And then you can close the magic ring. You don't need mark, because we will close each round with 1 slip stitch on the first double crochet. Not on the chain. The chain is just 2 up. 1 slip stitch. Then we already finished the first round with 6 stitch. And on round 2, let's start with 2 chains, and in the same base we will start to do 6 double crochet increase. 1 double crochet increase in each double crochet on the previous round. This is the first double crochet increase. Then let's continue doing double crochet increase all round, and we will finish the round with 1 slip stitch on the first double crochet. And we will finish this round 2 with 12 stitches. On round 3, 2 chains. On this round, we will repeat 6 times, 1 double crochet and 1 double crochet increase. Repeat exactly the same all round. And at the end, let's make 1 slip stitch to close. We already finished with 18 stitches. Round 4, 2 chains and 18 double crochet without increase. 1, 2, and just continue doing double crochet until you are 18 and finish this round with a slip stitch and 18 stitches. Round 5, 2 chains, 2 double crochet, 1 here, 1 in the next stitch, and then 1 double crochet increase. Continue repeating exactly the same all round. At the end, 1 slip stitch on the first double crochet on this round, and we will finish with 24 stitches. Round 6, 2 chains, 3 double crochet, 1, 2, and 3, and then 1 double crochet increase. Continue repeating exactly the same all round 6 times in total, and at the end 1 slip stitch on the first double crochet on this round, and we will finish this round with 30 stitches. From round 7 to 12, 2 chains, 30 double crochet, 1, 2, and continue doing double crochet until you are 30. After 30 double crochet, 1 slip stitch on the first one on this round, and continue repeating exactly the same on round 8 and the next round until 12. 2 chains on the beginning, 30 double crochet, and 1 slip stitch to close. From round 7 to 12, exactly the same. I'm almost finished the round 12. At the end, on the last double crochet, cut this yarn and finish this double crochet using lilac color yarn for the detail on the top, and 1 slip stitch. The detail will be the round 13, 2 chains. At the same time, you can secure and hide both threads. Also, you can make the union with both, and will be easy to continue working. That's it. Then 2 chains on the beginning, 1, and 2. In the same base, 1/2 double crochet. At the same time, you can secure and hide the thread. 1/2 double crochet. Skip 1 stitch, and in the next one, 1 slip stitch. 2 chains in the same base of the slip stitch, 1/2 double crochet, skip 1 stitch, and then in the next one, 1 slip stitch. You will continue repeating exactly the same. It's 15 times in total. And then I will show you where you need make the last slip stitch on this round. This is the last repetition, 2 chains, 1 and 2, 1/2 double crochet in the same base, skip the last stitch, and in the base of the first repetition, there, 1 slip stitch to finish. Cut the yarn and put it to the back, and then inside you can secure and hide it. For this mermaid tile, we need another detail. And we will use lilac color yarn, or the color that you use on the top of the other piece. Starting with the slip knot and 26 chains. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Continue doing chains until you are 26. After 26 chains, starting on the chain number 3 from the hook and taking the back loops only, number 3 from the hook, taking the back loops only, the first double crochet we made 7 on the beginning. I already made 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. 2 half double crochet, 1 and 2. 1 single crochet, 4 slip stitch, 1, 2, 3, and 4. Again, 1 single crochet, 2 half double crochet, 1 and 2, and for the end, 7 double crochet more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. We already finished this first round with 24 stitches. From round 2 to 4 is similar. 2 chains on the beginning, 1 and 2, 2 up, then 7 double crochet. Starting on the first double crochet that you have on the previous round. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. Then 2 half double crochet, 1 and 2. 1 single crochet, 4 slip stitch, 1, 2, 3, and for every time you need to take only the back loop, okay? 1 single crochet, 2 half double crochet, 2, and 7 double crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. That's it. Continue repeating exactly the same on round 3 and 4. Then 1 chain for secure, cut the yarn, leaving enough yarn just for hide it. And then using just 2 threads from the same yarn. Also, you can use glue if you prefer that. What I recommend is that you use glue and also sewing, because the baby is playing a lot with this mermaid tile. Then pay close attention and you can see how to make this union. If you want to make this union different, you can also do it. I give you some idea. this detail is ready, then let's put it to our Cuqui Sophia, but it's our first mermaid cookie. I hope and you really like this video. Of course, we will continue making accessories for this beautiful doll. Then if you haven't subscribed yet on this channel, what are you waiting for? I invite you to do it and activate the bell, and you will receive notification every time that I upload a new video. Also, if you like this one, don't forget to leave me your like and your comment. I really appreciate it, and that support this wonderful project. Then thanks a million for watching this video tutorial to the end, and see you on the next one. Bye!